Hello everyone, my name is Kevin from RAMShard, and welcome to another control panel tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how to easily add an extra control panel user to your server. Firstly, if they do not have a control panel account, please send us a message on our live chat so we can get one created. Once the account is created, head to your control panel and then click on Advanced and then select Users. Now you want to paste their email into the text box, and after you do that, hit enter and then you can choose a level of access for FTP and panel access. Now there are a few different levels of access for the FTP. The first one is no access, meaning they cannot even access your server files. The second one is read access, allows them to view and download files but they cannot make changes on the server. Then you have full access, which allows them to make changes, download, upload files, and then now you want to go on to your control panel roles. You have no access, which means they have no access to your server whatsoever. This essentially will remove them if you want to do that in the future. The guest allows them to see the server in their list and see who is online the server. The user level allows them to see the chat interface. The moderator level allows them to see the server log and the chat. The super moderator allows them to use a console, chat, start and stop, and then also restart the server. The administrator allows them to do everything the server owner can do. And then you can also get the co-owner role to allow them to have the full permissions just like you do. And after you set the access level for your extra users, they have access to your server now. And remember, if this tutorial has helped out, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. And remember, you can always contact us on our live chat for further assistance.